Welcome to CADD Centre. Here we are presenting a demo on Lumion software. You know why Lumion is so much popular nowadays? Lumion software is used for creating architectural visualizations that brings designs to life. The powerful tool for architects and designers allow you to present your designs to the clients in a way they can truly feel it. Lumion allows you to bring your designs to life by creating gorgeous videos, images, and panoramas. In this course, you can learn live synchronizing the 3D models, applying the realistic materials, adding components from the Lumion library like plants, vehicles, people and animals, sound effects, lights and utilities, indoor and outdoor components, so on. We can get a realistic rendering with the help of effects like sun, sky and clouds, precipitation, wind, fog, motion blur, and so on. You can create animation of vehicles, people and animals with the help of mass move and advanced move effects. You can also get a rendering of images and videos in a very short time with the best quality of rendering. For more information, visit our CAD center, 4th floor Mujawar Arcade, Nehru Nagar, near Ramdev, Belagavi. Thank you.